Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Shibanta Rakhi Galinku Jaka Jingdap Nyokusan Snem Jaka National Cadet Corps Directorate Jaka North Eastern Region Palapanong Nika North Eastern Region Car Rally Hakbak Nika Kunhun Kanech Kinritri Kijilla Jaka Than Chatela Mitni Latno Hagjilla Manipur Namar Bakarangdon Hakajimbam Shongsuk Shongsan Yakanika North Eastern Region Car Rally Lakawe Lama Menteri Rangba Kajilla Ukondet Ke Sangma Hakajingdan Nang Ki He Officer Jaka NCC Ki Officer Naka Sorkar Jilla Bat Kiwe Habakran kani kasingiu Menteri Rangba Jilla Ukandet Sangma Lai Kublai Kerpang ke NCC Kabla kentiu ki Samla bankiu habun ki liang Ula kenturu ki he NCC bikin pet beki Samla jaga Jilla bat kathan barok kawai kinyo ke Jinghikai ka babha la kedai hakrukom kalong kaman jongki bat kiwe Ula pun paru ke Kloi jaga Sorkar ban dan bentalang beki NCC hakban ai Jinghikai ki Samla jaga Jilla Syuk lai thuru bana kalian ke Sorkar kalale yala ka jong ka benta panirap iki Samla ring ba ki Jingïarap bapher kum ka startup ka Yes Megalia ban kenti ka sab jong ki Samla ring ba ka put ka tem bat kiwe ring ba kini ki program bapher ka Sorkar kan ai Jingïarap iki bakin la ban kiu ha ka kam ka ba ki tre la khala were ka NCC ban sedang ka jing ai Jinghikai ki Samla bat ka Sorkar kan ai Jingkershan bat ka Kloi ban tre lang Hakini ke NER Car Rally Beshimata ki don kumba Arspa Nyupunyo Tri ki School Shispa Sanpuwe Tri ki College Bat Sabu South Tri ki District Jogi Hindri Tri ki Jilla Joga Than Chete Lamini
One, two, and three.
Finishing our 75 years of existence in Northeast. NCC was raised in Northeast in Shillong, which was capital of Assam that time, in 1948. And this year, November, marks the completion of 75 years of NCC. So the best way I decided to celebrate was to actually have an outreach program where we can go to places where very few people go and meet the cadets as well as the potential future cadets and explain to them how they can be better citizens of India and how they can contribute for overall development of our country. And this dream, which took actually 4-5 months to fructify, has only been possible because of push, especially by Mr. Akela, and the complete support of Maruti Suzuki, who have sponsored our vehicles as well as our fuel, which is the main thing for us. Rest everything we can cater for. But these are the issues which make us stop by creating a stoppage to go into rural areas, in deep rural areas. So this rally today starts from Shillong. We are honored that it will be flagged off by CM Meghalaya, and we'll be visiting The plan was to visit all 7 states. However, due to the internal security issues, we are skipping Manipur, where as it is as of now.
Maruti Suzuki has been a leading automobile manufacturer for the last 4 decades, and we've been working towards revolutionizing the Indian automobile industry, providing great mobility solutions. And also Maruti Suzuki over this last 40 years has played a very pivotal role in establishing the ecosystem required for an automobile passenger vehicle industry in the country, and we've reached a stage where the Indian passenger vehicle industry is the number 3 industry in the world. So we take great pride in this association also with the armed forces over these 40 years. We've also been providing tailored vehicles, particularly to cater to the needs of the armed forces.
Respect yourself, respect your people, respect your culture, and always be proud of it. But at the same time, we must respect other cultures, the other uniqueness that we have in the nation, and obviously keep the country first always. And while I say that, this rally is something really that is amazing. And again, it's something beyond just a car rally. I remember when I was a member of parliament, I had proposed to the Honorable Speaker of the House. I was a member of parliament for a year and a half. I had proposed to the Honorable Speaker that I would like to have a group of members of parliament, about 10-15 of us, slightly on the younger side, and I would like to have it from different parts of the country, and I would want to go on a road trip throughout the country, starting from, say, some parts like, say, Kanyakumari, Bangalore, up to Mumbai in one road trip. Second would be from, say, Mumbai to Delhi. Another would be from, say, Delhi to Moreh. So things like that I wanted to do. And the idea was really to showcase to the rest of the members of parliament, somebody from South India, for example, should understand and see what the people of the Northeast are all about. And the MPs from the Northeast should then also understand what the people from the West are about, how their cultures are, how it is different and unique, and respect them. And it was a program that Honorable Speaker was very keen, and in fact I'd spoken to a few people to work with us, but then of course elections came, and then I was here as Chief Minister. But it is similar to that particular program that I had thought. So I would like to, number one, congratulate you for this really great thought process. I would like to suggest that when you go through these rallies, it would be nice to meet farmers. It will be nice to meet different musicians. It will be nice to meet the different self-help groups of women. It will be nice to meet different entrepreneurs. It will be great to connect with the children of different schools, maybe, or colleges. I think a great way to integrate the nation and also allow our youths to see what India really is. Because we see what we feel like seeing, or what social media gives in the feeds that we get. But really, there's much more to it. And therefore, I feel that this rally could be much more meaningful by ensuring that, number one, we interact with as many people as we can along the way. And at the same time, I would like to suggest that why restrict it to just the Northeast? Let this rally continue and let it go on to as I said, to South part of the country. Let them travel to even throughout from the central part of the country, and so on and so forth. So I think it's something that's great. I know it will require a lot of logistics, and the challenges are huge, and there will be a lot of finances. But as we always say, where there's a will, there's a way. Shuru kariye, sab cheez aayega. We start planning and we start thinking about the problems and the money, then it will never happen. And that's what I always believe. I've always told my team always that, look, we know what we want to do. Just do it. Otherwise, it'll never happen. And along the way, we will find out how to find solutions to it. So I feel that this is also a very important aspect. And it would be great if this rally could then be further extended to other parts of the country also, and tie up with the other regions and other organizations to move this forward, with governments to move this forward. And I think it'll be a great experience for the cadets also.